Welcome to the Cast Iron Babe. I'm Julianne and I'm so glad that you're here because today I'm going to show you how to fry an egg in a cast iron skillet. So sit back, put your feet up, and I'm going to go get the cast iron, so come on. Here's what you'll need: 1 egg, 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 tablespoon of water. Now for the tools you'll need: a cast iron skillet, a spatula, and a lid. Simple ingredients, simple tools, simple life skill, because if you can fry an egg and work a toaster, you can make a meal. Step 1, turn your cast iron skillet to medium-high for about 90 seconds. Now for many reasons, you want to preheat your cast iron before you cook. You'll get a better quality cook, maximum cast iron non-stick, and cleanup is much quicker and easier. Step 2, melt the butter in the skillet. Here you could substitute olive oil. Step 3, crack your egg into a small dish. Step 4, once the butter is melted, slide the egg from the dish into the skillet. Step 5, once the very bottom of the egg white has set, surround your egg with 1 tablespoon of water and cover the egg with a lid, glass if possible, so you can watch your egg steam. Step 6, steam egg for 3, 4, or 5 minutes depending on your desired yolk consistency. Times are approximate. So good. Oh my gosh, that's spicy. Easy recipe, easy ingredients. Remember, if you can fry an egg, make a piece of toast, you're a cook. If you loved what you saw here, like us, subscribe to us, come back, tell your friends. We're so happy you're here. Have fun with your fried egg, and we'll see you on the next episode of the Cast Iron Babe. Bye-bye.